Welcome, my people. Now, remember, say earlier this month, on October 5th, Atiku went to the Supreme Court to submit new evidence of forgery on how Tinubu used a fake certificate to contest for president. Now, Tinubu don't counter-attack him. Tinubu filed an affidavit at the Supreme Court where he's accusing Atiku of also submitting fake document to INEC. So basically what he's saying is that, oh my lord, I don't say I be thief, but nobody only me be thief for here. So he said the names that are on the documents that Atiku submitted to INEC are different. Say on his primary school certificate, the name was Atiku Kojoli. Meanwhile, the name that is on his wase is Sidiku Abubakar. Voila. Tinubu is now asking the Supreme Court to disqualify Atiku. And then Atiku and supporters came out with a document like that to prove that he changed his name from Sidiku Abubakar to Atiku Abubakar. And one of Atiku's team members went to Arise TV to explain the situation.
No. The change of name was not even 50 years ago. Okay. It's the affidavit he deposed to. That was 50 years ago, particularly in August 1973. That's 50 years ago. Right. You understand? He deposed on affidavit returning his name to Atiku Abubakar. You know,
why was it necessary?
I'll tell you something. Right. One is a man who believes in proper documentation. In the first place, for anyone who believes or who understands Islamic civilization vis-a-vis what we call, in terms of names, the etymology of Islamic names, that is the origin of Islamic names, will tell you clearly that the Holy Prophet, Prophet Muhammad, peace be unto him, you know, gave the two names, Siddiq and Atiku, to one of his bosom friends, who was Caliph Abu Bakr at that time. Now, if a young Atiku, young Atiku elected to bear the name Siddiq, as well, and later changed to Atiku, these two names have what we call a historical Islamic background. You understand? So it is of no consequence. The beautiful thing here is that he did not change from Samira, who is a female, to Atiku Abubakar, like we have in Mr. Bola Tinubu's sex and name scandal, particularly which originated from the Chicago Gate. You know, that those were documents he said will cause him irreparable damage if they were released to us. And when those documents were released, you recall vividly that you saw the sex there was that of a female, particularly the records that were brought in from the Southwest College to Chicago State University.
This one that you are reading the Quran for us, say Muhammad do this, Muhammad do that. This is not what we are asking you. This is not what we are talking about. You say in 73 he legally changed his name, Siddiq Abubakar to Atiku Abubakar. You show document and all those things. Okay, we agree for that one. But what Tinubu is talking about now is concerning the name Atiku Kojoli and Siddiq Abubakar. These are two different names. Nothing they connect those names together. Now, where the question mark they be that? And you know, it's true that when Atiku went to the Chicago court, with the obedience, we supported you guys. But this time around, no be so. Everybody must carry him on cross. Because waiting Tinubu they talk not true. Where from that Kojo na Ghanaian name, guy. Be like say Atiku na Ghanaian man we misroll entire Adamawa. Anyway, we have to investigate this matter. We don't agree. In any serious country, the Supreme Court should disqualify the two of them, both Atiku and Tinubu. But Nigeria we did. So let's wait and see what will happen. My people, thanks for watching. This is the Unholy Show where we discuss the latest news in town. Stay tuned.